This video provides a complete roadmap for becoming a Guidewire business analyst, a highly valued role within the property and casualty insurance technology domain. The session begins with an introduction to the Guidewire ecosystem and explains how insurance organizations use Guidewire solutions to streamline policy administration, claims handling, and billing operations. Viewers learn about the key responsibilities of a business analyst, including requirement gathering, stakeholder communication, business process analysis, documentation, and support for software implementation initiatives. The video also highlights the importance of domain expertise, analytical thinking, problem solving, and effective communication skills. In addition, it discusses certifications, career opportunities, and industry expectations that can help professionals advance in this field. Whether you are a graduate, analyst, or IT professional, this section establishes a strong foundation. A strong understanding of property and casualty insurance fundamentals is essential for aspiring Guidewire business analysts. This section introduces the major concepts that support insurance operations, including policies, premiums, underwriting, endorsements, renewals, claims management, and risk evaluation. Viewers gain insight into how insurance companies design products, assess risk, manage customer relationships, and process transactions throughout the policy life cycle. The video emphasizes learning industry terminology and understanding business workflows before working with Guidewire applications. Practical examples and real-world scenarios demonstrate how insurance products are sold, serviced, modified, and renewed. By mastering these foundational concepts, professionals can communicate more effectively with stakeholders, understand business requirements with greater accuracy, and contribute confidently to successful implementation projects. This section focuses on agile methodology and the essential business analysis skills needed for success in Guidewire projects. Viewers are introduced to agile principles, Scrum practices, sprint planning, backlog refinement, daily stand-up meetings, user stories, acceptance criteria, and stakeholder collaboration. The video explains how modern insurance technology initiatives are delivered through iterative development cycles and highlights the role of business analysts throughout the project life cycle. Additional topics include requirement elicitation, process mapping, gap analysis, documentation standards, workshop facilitation, and communication techniques. Special emphasis is placed on translating business objectives into actionable requirements that development teams can implement efficiently. These competencies help analysts bridge the gap between business stakeholders and technical teams while supporting project success. A major part of the learning journey involves understanding the three core Guidewire applications: Policy Center, Billing Center, and Claim Center. This section explains the purpose of each module and how they support critical insurance operations. Viewers learn how Policy Center manages policy administration activities, underwriting processes, and customer policy information. Billing Center is explored through billing cycles, invoicing, account management, and payment processing functions. Claim Center is presented as the platform used for claims registration, investigation, evaluation, and settlement activities. The video also introduces Guidewire terminology, business workflows, integration concepts, and common implementation tasks performed during projects. Gaining knowledge of these modules helps aspiring analysts participate confidently in discussions and contribute effectively to Guidewire initiatives. The final section presents a structured career roadmap designed to help viewers transition into a Guidewire business analyst role. The learning path begins with insurance domain knowledge and progresses through agile methodologies, business analysis techniques, and Guidewire functional expertise. Recommendations are provided for certifications, training programs, project experience, and professional networking opportunities that can strengthen career growth. The video also offers practical guidance for building an effective resume, highlighting transferable skills, and preparing for GuideWire-related interviews. Common interview questions, stakeholder management scenarios, requirement gathering examples, and business case discussions are reviewed to improve confidence and readiness. The session concludes by emphasizing continuous learning, industry specialization, and hands-on experience as key drivers of long-term career success.